Creating wooden kids' toys not only allows for the development of beautiful, functional items, but also fosters a strong connection between children and nature. Wood, with its warm tones and organic textures, serves as an excellent medium for crafting toys that engage the senses and promote imaginative play. The natural beauty of wood, combined with its durability, makes it a perfect choice for crafting items that can be cherished for years to come. Hello there! Dear viewers, welcome to our channel. Today, we will show you a collection of wood kids' toy craft ideas for creating natural and safe playing and learning pieces you can use for your home or sale. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. One of the most enchanting projects is the creation of wooden building blocks. These blocks can come in various shapes and sizes, encouraging children to explore their creativity and develop fine motor skills. By selecting high-quality wood and sanding the edges to a smooth finish, you create a safe and tactile play experience. Painting some blocks in vibrant colors while leaving others in their natural state allows the unique grains and textures of the wood to shine through. As children stack, arrange, and build with these blocks, they not only engage in imaginative play, but also develop spatial awareness and problem-solving skills. The beauty of these blocks lies not just in their function, but also in how they can be displayed as an artful decor piece when not in use, seamlessly blending into a child's room. Another captivating idea is crafting wooden puzzles. These can be designed with various themes, from animals and vehicles to shapes and numbers. The process of creating a puzzle involves cutting pieces from a single sheet of wood, which can then be painted or left unfinished to highlight the wood's natural beauty. The tactile experience of fitting pieces together offers children a rewarding challenge, enhancing their cognitive development and fine motor skills. As they manipulate the pieces, they learn about patterns, recognition, and spatial relationships. The finished product can serve as a beautiful educational tool that enhances both playtime and learning. Pull-along toys are a classic choice that resonates with both children and parents. Crafting a charming animal or vehicle that children can pull as they walk encourages movement and physical activity. These toys can be designed to feature bright colors or intricate carvings, appealing to a child's sense of wonder. Adding wheels and a sturdy string transforms a simple wooden figure into a fun companion for little ones, promoting imaginative scenarios as they create stories around their playful friends. The durability of wooden pull-along toys ensures they can withstand the rough and tumble of childhood, making them lasting treasures. In the realm of musical toys, crafting wooden instruments can be both fun and educational. For example, a simple xylophone can be made by cutting different lengths of wood to produce various tones and arranging them on a frame. The warm, rich sounds of wood create a delightful auditory experience for children, fostering an appreciation for music and rhythm. Maracas are another excellent option. These can be made by filling small wooden containers with seeds or beads, allowing children to explore sound and movement. These instruments not only provide entertainment, but also encourage creativity through music, making them perfect additions to playtime. Creating a wooden dollhouse or playset can also be a rewarding project. Building a simple structure from plywood or solid wood allows for endless customization. You can design miniature furniture and accessories, giving children the opportunity to engage in imaginative role-playing. By incorporating non-toxic paints and finishes, you ensure that the dollhouse is safe for play while showcasing the beauty of the wood. This project fosters creativity and storytelling as children create their own narratives, making it a cherished part of their playtime routine. Wooden cars and trucks are timeless toys that never go out of style. Crafting these vehicles allows you to explore various designs, from sleek race cars to sturdy construction trucks. By cutting out shapes and adding wheels, you create toys that can withstand hours of imaginative play. Using bright colors or natural finishes enhances their visual appeal, making them attractive to both kids and parents. As children push their wooden vehicles across the floor, they engage in imaginative play that develops their motor skills and encourages storytelling. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Another engaging project is the creation of a wooden activity board. This board can be filled with various sensory elements, such as latches, knobs, and spinning gears, promoting exploration and fine motor skills. By incorporating different textures and movements, you create a sensory experience that keeps children engaged and curious. This type of toy can provide hours of entertainment, allowing children to discover how things work while developing their problem-solving abilities. The beauty of a well-crafted activity board lies in its ability to blend functionality with artistry, making it an attractive addition to any playroom. Wooden memory games are another excellent idea that promotes cognitive development while being visually appealing. By creating a set of matching pairs using smooth wooden tiles, you offer a fun way for children to improve their memory and concentration. Each tile can be decorated with colorful designs or images, ensuring that they are both educational and aesthetically pleasing. The natural wood finish adds a touch of elegance, making these games suitable for display when not in use. In addition to these specific projects, the overall process of crafting wooden toys allows for creativity and personal expression. Each piece can reflect the artisan's style, preferences, and ideas. Whether it's a whimsical design for a pull-along toy or a modern aesthetic for a building block set, the possibilities are endless. Personalizing these toys with engravings or unique finishes can elevate their appeal, transforming them into meaningful gifts or cherished family heirlooms. Moreover, the act of creating wooden toys can be a therapeutic and fulfilling experience for the maker. Working with wood allows artisans to engage with the material on a tactile level, fostering mindfulness and creativity. The rhythmic motions of sanding, shaping, and finishing can provide a sense of accomplishment as each project comes to life. Knowing that these handcrafted items will be used and appreciated in homes adds to the satisfaction of the crafting process. As sustainability continues to be a priority for many consumers, crafting wooden toys offers an opportunity to embrace eco-friendly practices. Choosing sustainably sourced wood or utilizing reclaimed materials not only reduces environmental impact, but also adds character to each piece. Artisans can share the stories behind their materials, connecting buyers with the craftsmanship and values that go into each toy. This emphasis on sustainability resonates with parents who are increasingly seeking quality, responsible options for their children. Crafting wooden kids' toys is a rewarding endeavor that combines natural beauty with utility. From building blocks and puzzles to pull-along toys and musical instruments, each project offers opportunities for creativity, learning, and imaginative play. The tactile nature of wood enhances the sensory experience for children, making these toys appealing and engaging. As artisans create these cherished items, they not only enrich playtime, but also contribute to a deeper connection between children and the natural world. Each handcrafted toy becomes a part of a child's journey, offering joy, creativity, and a lifelong appreciation for well-made, beautiful objects. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our handpicked wood kids toy craft pieces ideas you can use for your home or sale. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.